Hey, I'm back. So today we'll be looking at OneOdio Pro C wireless headphones from OneOdio. So let's just unbox it. Okay, let's just cut this. Let's just cut this bubble wrap. First, when I received it, I did not expect a smaller box. This is quite small. I think it's small because it has a collapsible design. So that's the box here. Okay, around 128 ringgit if you purchase retail. I purchased this for 108 ringgit from Shopee. No voucher used. I think it's just discounted. So there you go there. C Studio Wireless Y80B. Nothing much here. And at the back we have some specs. Studio Wireless Y80B, battery capacity 1000 milliamp hours, diameter for the driver 15 mm, neodymium magnets, can be used wireless or wired, transmission range 33 feet or 10 meters, impedance 32 ohms, sensitivity what it says there, frequency range 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, respectable for this price range. Charge time 2.5 hours, standby time 1000 hours, playing time 80 hours. So package contents, which we are gonna see anyway. So OneOdio headphones, 3.5 mm audio cable with inline mic, micro USB charging cable, packing bag, and the user manual itself. So let's just open this. Let's open it. And there you go. No wonder everything looks so small, because this is already folded. Okay, let's put it to the side. Accessories, micro USB, and yeah, it is micro USB cable and the auxiliary cable. Manual. What a fancy manual here. Not a lot of words, a lot of pictures, but I guess we can figure it out. We're a bunch of smart people, right? Okay, so this is the warnings, cautions. We don't have to read that. And of course, let's go back to the star of the show, which is the headphones itself. The back feels fine. I think it's the same as the OneOdio Pro 50. I think it's DJ Pro 50. It's around the same size too. These headphones. There you go. There's the headphones. Amazing. It can fold the way it does. Half the size. Okay, first glance, first impression. Plasticky. Cheap, but I think it gets the job done. So the buttons that we have here, it's the volume up button and maybe a skip track button too if you double tap it, power button, volume down button, the cable, the port for the cable, and the micro USB port for charging. Other than that, nothing much. It's just a pair of headphones. How far does it go? Okay, that's not bad. And the clamping force is not too hard, I think. This is quite good. Okay. So now, the most important thing about headphones is of course how it sounds. How it sounds like. So let me just pull up my phone here. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on the headphones. Maybe just hold the button here. It should light up. Okay, we have juice. We have juice. So let's just pair it with my phone. Can I find it? There you go. The headphone is called Studio Wireless. spare, and the current device supports AAC codec. My full changes in the settings. AAC, never mind. Let's just try with SBC. That's fine. Well, let's just open Spotify. Open Spotify, and then I'm going to put this on my head and see how it fits. Okay, it fits pretty good. I think it's a bit too small for my head or something. I don't really have a super big head, but let's just play something. From Mojo. Let's see how it sounds like. Okay. It sounds bassy. Oh, there's a lot of bass. Hey, actually this sounds good. This headphones does sound good. Okay, let's just try something from Daily Mix. Mojo by Lady by Mojo sounds great. PYT by Michael Jackson. Let's see how it sounds like. I can tell you right now that this headphone sounds great. This sounds great out of the box when compared to Bluedio T monitors. If you have Bluedio T monitors and you're not happy with the sound, neither do I. Either am I. I have those Bluedio T monitors and I'm not happy. But with this, out of the box, I'm happy with the sound. Let's try Independent Woman Part 1. Nice. Let's try another song. Okay, I've heard enough. I can safely say that if you listen to a lot of pop songs, bass heavy songs, hip hop, R&B, even rock, I think you'll be happy with these headphones. It packs a lot of punch and it sounds great out of the box. It sounds great. So I think we can sum it up right now, because I'm really happy with this purchase. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a low price Bluetooth headphones which sounds good out of the box. I recommend this. This will be very great for casual listening. And don't let the Studio Wireless name fool you. These are not studio headphones. These are general listening headphones for listening to music, watching movies. Not for gaming though. I don't think this is good for gaming. It does not have a low latency mode. It only has that one mode. I guess you can use it for gaming if you're using the cable provided. So pros and cons. Pros, it sounds great out of the box. It sounds great for my ear. As we know with these headphones, each person has different ears, and for my ears this sounds great. That's one pro. Another pro is I think it's light. The clamping force is not too tight. The con is, I guess, the cheap construction, of course, but what do you expect from something that costs around 100 ringgit? And what else can I say? I think another con is the cable is not the adapterless type like their Studio Pro 50s. if you lose this cable, you see they're using some type of proprietary connection here. If you lose this cable, then you have to purchase a new one from OneOdio, because I don't think you can find this easily. I prefer their Pro 50 adapterless cable though, but this works fine because it has Bluetooth anyways, and the Bluetooth mode is easy to pair and everything. So yeah, so that is my simple review of the OneOdio Pro C wireless headphones. I would recommend this if you're into listening to music, hip hop, R&B, whatever. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, dislike, subscribe, do whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.